Hey, it's Samir. How you doing? I hope you are doing great. Maybe you ask yourself, how can I have a fresh start in my life and be successful? We all want to do something big in our lives, and we think it's hard or it's impossible to do that. But in fact, we can do more. We can do more than we think. But we listen to people, and I call them losers. The people who are pessimistic, they will tell you that you can do it. You don't have the money to start, or the experience that you need. Or look at these guys who failed, and you are not better than them. Well, you need to know something. The world was built by people are not better or smarter than you. But the difference between who lost and who didn't, they didn't give up. Or listen to other people's opinions. 95% of big businesses founded by people who didn't have any money to rent an office. And they started in a garage. Yeah, the biggest company that you know. The companies that you are thinking about right now, like Apple, Amazon, and tons more. And they didn't have a college degree. So you have to do something very important before you start or do anything with your life is to cut the fat. What do I mean by that? Don't be around people who put you down. Maybe you heard this quote before. It says, tell me who's your friend and I will tell you who you are. If you are hanging out with losers, I promise you, you will be the worst in that group. But if you are hanging out with successful people, you will be successful. And they will challenge you to be better. And trust me, if you are pessimistic in a group with successful people, one day you will see that you will be out of that group. So, what should you do? Start thinking about what you love and be optimistic and work on it to the rest of your life. So, be optimistic and start looking for people who can lead you on instead of people who can put you down. Start thinking and write your goals. How you gonna do it? And work on it. And make a plan. Trust me, a goal without a plan is a wish. It's gonna be hard, I know. It will take time, but it's worth it. And you won't regret it. If you really wanna change your life, and if you really wanna be successful as you wanna breathe, you will make it. It's not a motivational video, it's just a short video that can make a click in your mind to start doing something about it. Thanks for your time.